My goodness. This is the smallest sunny I have ever caught, ever. Look at the size of you. Look at the size. This is bait fish. See you, buddy. Oh, I think I hooked myself. Oh. Definitely just hooked myself. Hey guys, what's happening? I'm headed to a feeder from ponds to do some bluegill fishing. I have my 4.6 ultralight Shakespeare rod, my micro spinning reel from Bass Pro, 4-pound test, which is probably overkill for that's okay. I hope we're hooking some decent sized bluegills, some good sized sunnies. So let's go. We'll see you out there. There we go. Hey, got one. First sunny of the day. Come here, little guy. You're pretty. You're pretty. See you, buddy. There we go. Oh, see you, buddy. Stab me in the hand. There we go. Good size one. You got in your mouth, buddy. Oh, you just got muck in you. It's a good size sunny. I've said it before, and I'll say it again. This is fun and relaxing to just reel in little bluegills. I don't care how old you are. It's great. Yes, of course, my favorite is bass, and obviously, but it's just nice once in a while to take a break from bass fishing and just dangle it out there for the sunnies, the bluegills. Get your little rod out and, I don't know, just relax, hang out, put a float on, just cast it out, see what you can hook up with. Oh wow, okay, what's up, buddy? You're feisty. Yeah, you're a better size. A little belly you got on you, huh? Well, you gotta let go. You gotta let go, buddy. You got a little belly on her. Yeah. So long. Oh, there we go. Little guy. Oh, you're pretty too. You're so pretty. We're completely on the other side of where we were. And first cast, we had a fish. We had one on, we had one on. I'm gonna throw a few or fish for a little bit here with so I'm gonna fish a little bit here for sunnies. bluegill, and then I'll throw a couple casts with a Senko, because I know there's bass in here as well. Oh, there's one. There we go. Little guy. Not as small as I thought. See you there, bud. Let's try this side. There's one. There we go. Feels a little better. To be honest with you, I don't know. Beautiful pumpkin seed. Look at this. Beautiful. Come here, buddy. Yeah. Maybe the best one of the day. You're pretty. Look at that. Beautiful. There's one. Little guy. Oh, he's feisty, huh? Little guy. Hey, bud. There we go. Can't tell if it's big or small. It's caught it so far out. Doesn't feel too tiny. Oh no, that's a good one. Yeah, it's a good one. Come here, buddy. Oh, that's a good one. Beautiful fish. Absolutely beautiful fish. Maybe the biggest one of the day. Beautiful fish. Look at this fish. Beautiful. Nice big mouth on her. Beautiful. See you later, bud. Oh, there's one. I'm really far out. That's fun. Look at that beautiful fish. Nice little clean hook set. Easy, buddy. I don't want to drop you. Beautiful. Oh, that's a nice little better. Huh? Tiny. Actually, I don't know. I can't tell. Where you going, buddy? Oh, no, that's a good. Oh, sunfish. Oh, it's a good size one. That's a good size one. Nice. That's a nice one. Hey now, day 3, headed to spot number 3 of the little bluegill fishing tour I've been doing. Been to this lake many times, caught a lot of fish. Earlier this year, I caught my PB bluegill out of here. It was just over a half a pound, which to me is a big bluegill, and it was large. Same day, I caught numerous ones in the half-pound range. It was a really fun day of just hooking into some small but big fish. I'm also going to show what I've been using as far as tackle and bait catching these fish. Also, I've been doing a little bit of research on these panfish, these sunnies, these bluegills, and I'm mainly catching 2 kinds, bluegill and pumpkin seed. The pumpkin seed are absolutely beautiful. They have on the side of their fin, they have like blue streaks. Beautiful fish. Mostly, I believe I've been catching bluegill. Earlier in the video, I did catch a good size bluegill that I caught a pumpkin seed, and I believe I stand corrected, it was just a bluegill. Either way, sometimes they're hard to tell, sometimes it's not, but you know, they're all in the same family, they're all fun to catch, and we're on our way. See you there. I wanted to show what I've been using. It's Berkely Powerbait, Crappie Nibbles. They're just little white pellets that I throw on this size 6 Eagle Claw snell hook, red, and that's it. Just wait for the bite, set the hook, reel them in. There we go. He's a fighter, he's just not big. Oh, it's good size. Oh, wow. That's a really nice size. Beautiful fish. This is a pumpkin seed, and a beautiful one at that. Look at the size. Look at this. Beautiful fish. Absolutely beautiful. Look at the colors. Beautiful pumpkin seed there. See you, buddy. Oh, that's a nice one. Oh wow, that's a really nice one. Wow. Holy shit. Wow. Oh, it's a crab. Oh my god. That's the biggest sunfish I've ever caught. Holy cow. Holy cow. Look at this. This is the biggest, this might be the biggest sunfish I've ever caught. Look at the size of this sunfish. Holy cow. That is a monster. Holy cow. Holy cow. Oh my goodness. 9.3 ounces. Oh my goodness. That is a huge sunny. Wow. Look at that. That's a new PB right there. I've never even seen a sunfish that big. Oh my goodness. Look at this thing. Wow. So long, buddy. Wow. Holy cow. Wow. I am completely shocked at how big that fish was. Holy cow. Well, that's why we came here. That is why we came here. There are big bluegills in this little spot. That was a big one. I honestly thought it was a crappie. There we go. That's a nice one. Oh, that's a nice one. That might be a bass. That might not be a sunny. Oh, that's a bass. Look at this. That's amazing. That's a nice sized bass. Come here, buddy. Look at this. That's amazing. On this little rod. Look at the size of this bass. Come here. Look at it. Oh, unbelievable. Unbelievable. Get this little hook out of here. Look at that. Unreal. See you, buddy. Well, that's a first. Oh wow, might be another one. Are you kidding me? Another bass. Are you kidding me? What is this? It is. Oh no, it's a really big sunny. A real big sunny. Oh. Look at the size of this sunfish. I can lip him, but I'm not. Come here, buddy. Oh my goodness. What a mat. It's gonna wait on you. Look at the size of it. Oh Jesus. Buddy, 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 buddy. Not trying to hurt you. Look at the size of this sunny. .3 ounces. Huge fish. Go ahead, buddy. Well, that's it. Had a couple good days of fishing there. catching the sunfish. Finished on a high note with some big ones. That one was a little over 9 ounces. That was my new personal best. It was a monster. I honest to God, I thought it was a crappie. I can't believe that was a bluegill. But yeah, last spot produced. It was fun. Listen, if you just want to tighten the lines and have fun and relax, go out and get yourself an ultralight rod, a small little micro reel, 2, 3, 4 pound test, and just, and I was using those Berkely Crappie pellets. Just cast it out there and just reel it in. Reel them in. It's fun. It never gets old. You're never too old for it. And even if you want to take your kids out and just so they can catch fish, it's fun. It's fun. Sunfish fishing, bluegill fishing is underrated. But back to the bass. Oh, speaking of bass, I can't believe I caught a bass on that rig. That was interesting. But yeah, back to bass fishing. And until next time.